we can break apart the Hi guys, today we're going to be making this. Let me just show you it. We're going to be making this. Project page. Okay, it's a bit blurry. Let me just refresh my page. Okay, there. This is like a DNA trail. That's what we're going to be making today. So start off by just having this. We're going to use this, which is a bit weird. I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to paint this one red. So you can also do it. Red. Nope. Red. That's all the red we need, but I want it to be dark. I want it to be a bit lighter. So. There. This looks DNA-ish. Yeah, that looks good. Duplicate this. I mean, don't duplicate it right now. We'll duplicate it later. So when flag click, do you want to set the size to 50? Because this is going to be way too big for the DNA trail. I think I was a little way too fast. Yeah, start off with when flag click and set size to 50. Sorry about that noise. My brother was banging on the door. So set size to 50. Now you want to forever get this block called abs, but it's not abs. And get this block set Y. We're not using this abs one. We're using sin, or should I say sign. It's most when you say it for the first time, it sounds like you think it's the word sin, but no, it's sign. There's a difference between sin and sign. So set Y to sign of timer. So if you never use this timer block, it's just the block that Scratch added, and it calculates the time very accurately. See, it has the timer. It runs forever, unless you delete this, which I'm not going to do it. So set Y to sign of timer, not sin, sign. But then do timer. Take out the timer block and put 30 there. 30. And now look what happens. Look, it is moving very slowly. And I don't even think it can move. I don't know. Let me just put this for 50. Yeah, there. Yeah, let me just set size to 100 because I don't think you can do it. Set size to 100. I'll change it to 50 later. Oh, I forgot something. Times 50. Do 30 and times 50. This is not the actual thing that you want to do, but just do it. Look, so we got it coming like the DNA wave. Let me just get it here. Yeah, look, it's doing the exact same thing this is doing, but way slower. So we want it to go faster. How do we do that? We change this to a higher number. If we do it 50, it's doing a little more. It's doing a little faster. If we do it to 100, 150 there. But that's not fast. We need to be 300. Now that's good. Whatever. Go to looks and then set size to 50. Why? Because it's gonna be way too big. There, that looks way too small though. But I don't care. Now you want to create a clone of myself because over here, look, we created a clone. We didn't make a million sprites. I mean, I didn't make a million sprites. Not a million, I was exaggerating, but just a lot of sprites. No, I created a clone. I created a clone of myself. Look, it's doing it wonderful. Hooray! But we needed to go to site. It has to go this way. So it's not doing it. It's just going up and down, which is just boring. So when I start as a clone, you want to repeat until touching edge. But it will never touch the edge because I'm going to make it never touch the edge. So it will repeat forever practically. I have no idea why you do that, but just so touching edge. Okay. You want to change x by 10. There. It just got stuck there. That's just not what we want to do. Now let's change this to delete the clone. Yeah, it doesn't work because it touched the edge. We had to delete this clone. There, hooray, it's working. And I can zoom in over here, but look, it's not touching. Darn, it's not touching. It has a tiny, I think it's touching. It looks like it's touching, but it's not, because then why would it work? So then, that looks fine, but, I want to also turn 4 degrees. Turn 15 degrees just makes it look weird. Yeah, there, that's more like it. Cool. Just change that to negative 175. There. But look what happens if I put negative 200. Dude. Okay. Let's do negative 240. Wait. Yeah, it doesn't work because it's touching the edge. That's why I put negative 175. Negative 175. And it works cool. Works good. But now, where's the other piece? Where's the blue part of my game? Yeah, where's this blue? Where is that blue coming from? It's just practically the same thing. Yeah. It's literally practically the same thing, if you ask me. That's why I duplicated it. That's why I need to duplicate it, because it's the exact same thing. Let me just pause this and let's change this one blue. You can put it any color you want. You can make it even purple, but I'm not going to do it. There. Ta-da! Here's our blue. We had to also code this guy to go to negative 175. Negative 175. So it lines up. But look what happens. Where is that guy? Where is that guy? Oh, Jose. He's underneath you. I'll do negative 50. There is your DNA wave or trail. I have no idea. I think it's trail, yeah, it's supposed to be DNA trail. Yeah, the problem with this is when you do something else, if you click on another sprite, it makes that weirdness. I guess the people who do it won't click the sprite. Let me just change this to blue, high blue, and then make this red, high red. And you can change the backdrop. Let's get it some kind of signs. Let's get it. Yeah, let's get this. So I'll just go on back layer. Or is it? Yeah, it's supposed to be on the back layer. There. A DNA trail made by May. So, hope you liked the video. But first, hide this timer. Hope you like the video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications for a notification whenever I share my videos, or yeah, just whenever I share my video, and like the video. That would help me a lot. Bye.